Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Buffer questions get easy fast when you compare the target pH, the actual pH, and which buffer component pushes the solution more acidic or basic. Henderson-Hasselbalch, pH equals pKa plus log of base over acid. Here the target is 10.0 and the pKa is 10.3, so the base to acid ratio should be less than 1. For this buffer pair, HCO3- acts as the acid and CO3-2- acts as the base. That means adding more bicarbonate pulls the ratio down and lowers pH. Since the measured pH is 9.5, it was lower than intended, so the solution had relatively too much acid component, making option A the match. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps, because lower pH means too much acid, not